Hey everyone, just a quick reminder before I begin, please like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Okay, so what happened to Russia and Ukraine back in 2014? The S&P went up to all-time highs and continued and continued and continued. So that means that the markets really shrugged it off. And so I wouldn't expect anything different here. No matter what happens, I think that Bitcoin is going to be a safe haven, and regardless of what happens, Bitcoin will continue to go up. This is what I've seen throughout history. Look at the S&P compared to 2014. Done pretty good. And if people are comparing the markets to Bitcoin, it's gonna do pretty good. Okay, so Michael Saylor, he says, before I begin this, I agree with a lot of what Michael Saylor says. There's some things I vehemently do not agree with, but this is one of the things. Given the uncertainties that investors currently face, it feels less risky to be holding Bitcoin than any mix of currencies, credit, equity, commodities, or property. I totally agree with him. And then Will Clement also says, the most pivotal moment in Bitcoin's history will be when it is flocked to instead of USD in times of uncertainty. It won't happen today, won't happen tomorrow, but when it does, that will trigger the hyper monetization of Bitcoin. Few understand Bitcoin is the risk-off asset. It is also the risk-on asset as well. So it's playing both sides of the spectrum. And if you can understand that, you understand that Bitcoin is the most amazing investment anybody could possibly make, and it's a safe haven as well. Okay, not only is it a safe haven, the hash rate keeps going up with Bitcoin, all-time high hash rate, and it's continually to do that, and it's going to continue to do that in the future. Heidi and I have been saying this for a very long time, and it's going to continue. Okay, lastly, this is something for everybody that sees what's happening in Canada with Bitcoin and wallets. And right now, Canadian federal police call for FinTrack to block over 30 plus Bitcoin wallets from transacting with major financial institutions. So what does this mean? Is this something to be scared about? No. These people, if FinTrack is going to grab wallets, it's going to be from exchanges or something like that. It's not going to be from their private wallets. They can't steal anybody's private keys unless they actually give them to them, okay? So that is one thing that's really important, is that, you know, exchanges are cool, but if you really want security from governments or anything, or thieves, or, you know, same thing, you should probably get your keys in your head or buried somewhere. Just make sure you hold your private keys. That's all. Stay disobedient. Bye.